If you show that, people will accept. Time will come, your enemy will say.
Right.
You don't have to show anything. Be yourself. Whatever you are, show that. Enemy will accept. Time will come. And it happens with both of them. Whole world is saluting them. So, even background, I think you know very well. I don't have to explain much. So the first quality is you have to be yourself. Next fact is accept yourself. Once you know I am this, what is next? Accept yourself. Why I have given these examples? I hope you recognize him, the first person. Because of this, I am giving this presentation because of him only. The inventor of electricity. Inventor of electric bulb. Yeah, Thomas Alva Edison. Yeah. Do you know anything about him? What is his background? What is his background?
Self-made man.
Yeah, all great persons are self-made. It's very difficult to make someone.
I think I did.
Yeah.
999.
Okay.
He was a failure.
Yeah, that's correct. There's nothing to. That will be separate discussion for failure. How to achieve success.
He was constantly failing.
Yeah, that's one episode. That point will come in the picture. But why I kept it in this part? Accept yourself. Yeah. He's a great scientist. You understand, right? But do you know what is his qualification? What is his educational background? He has, he's a school dropout. He has only 3 months of formal education.
3 months?
Only 3 months. And teacher told him, you are a doll and you are a donkey, get out from the school. His mother made him. His mother used to teach him regularly, and because of that, he achieved so much great success. He has 1,300 patents in his name. This Thomas Alva Edison's. So what I mean to say is, why I kept it here is, first part, a lot of people blame, I don't have good education. I'm not from a rich family. My point is, accept yourself. Don't blame. When you accept yourself, when you realize, because certain things you cannot ignore. किस घर में पैदा होता है, जैसे कहावत है, आप किस घर में अगर पैदा हो, you cannot ignore that. If you are born poor, it's not your fault. But if you are dying poor, it's your fault. That's the quote. If you are born poor, it's not your fault. But if you are dying poor, it's your fault. जो पैदाइश है, you cannot blame that. So
man may not be so much interested in making money. He might be interested in some other thing like arts or something.
Yeah.
So you can't say necessarily that if you're dying poor, you're to blame.
No, I'm not saying. This is a quote I derived. I'm not talking about dying poor. Poor means just having money is not a poor. Poverty means it can be intellectual poverty also, emotional poverty also, lot other way. You will find poor family, they are happy. But if you look into the rich family, you will find a lot of disputes going on. A money family, what is going on? So much money. They are fighting each other and creating so much chaos in the country. Right? So I'm talking about poor means your other way, not in terms of money. So what I mean to say is, accept yourself. He was from a poor family, no formal education, but he achieved so much big success in his life. Next comes, who is he?
I agree.
No. Pardon?
Lawrence Nightingale.
No. I'll just give just hints.
Queen Elizabeth.
Tell me. Yes, right. Yeah. I think we have seen the Black movie, right? Black.
Helen Keller.
Yeah, this is Helen Keller. So you know what is his background, right? But still he's achieved such a big success. Next, I want to go fast because, yeah, Shakespeare. What is his background?
He was dropped out of school.
Drop out of school, he was a cripple. कुछ चल नहीं पाता था. But still, every library you will find his book.
Drama writer.
So, next, who is he? Huh? Who is he? Pardon? Huh? Yes, Roosevelt. He is Franklin Delano Roosevelt. He is the 32nd President of United States of America, and during Second World War, he was President. And he must be, what is his background? No, he's from a rich family. Yeah. He ruled the country in wheelchair. If you have seen Diamond Harbor, the English movie, probably. Pardon? Pearl Harbor, sorry. Diamond Harbor is here. Sorry. Pearl Harbor? Yeah, whatever, I'm just forgetting the name. You might have seen, through wheelchair he used to rule the country. Means this is an example for those handicapped people. Just accept. Once you accept, use your strength. He has a lot of courage, he has a lot of confidence, a lot of knowledge how to deal with peoples. You know how to deal with the Hitler as a big enemy. So that's why he achieved success. Next, I know it's very common to all of you. President Abdul Kalam, he was a newspaper vendor in Rameswaram railway station. President Abdul Kalam. President Abdul Kalam, our president.
Newspaper vendor.
He was a newspaper vendor in Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu at his early age, and is from a very poor family, and you know what is his success. Next, who is he? No, this will. Yeah, Stephen Hawking. I hope people must be knowing what is his background. He is unable to talk. He couldn't walk also. He is talking through computer. That is the kind of the disease he is suffering now. Next is Sudha Chandran. I hope nothing to explain much about him, about her.
Nancy Mayuri.
Jaipur Fort is dancing with Jaipur Fort. Next,
Shivaji Gaikwad.
Shivaji Gaikwad. I think nothing. I don't need to explain about him. The kind of success he achieved.
He was conductor.
He was a bus conductor in Bangalore State Transport, and ultimately became a superstar in Tamil film industry. Johnny Lever.
Slumdog.
Yeah, he's a slumdog, and once upon a time he was so depressed that he's not getting any job, he doesn't know how to earn a livelihood. Suddenly he realized his weakness, that my face is a lovely face, a funny face. And he thought, I can use this funny face to make people laugh. And slowly become a great comedian now. And you know what is his success rate. Now next is Jackie Chan. You know, I think there's nothing to explain about him. But what is his background? Why I kept his photo in this part?
He was a very good actor, very good karate.
Yeah. He is the real hero, I mean to say. In all, yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Not the karate.
Yeah, for those things, a lot of things will come into pictures. What I mean to say is, he's a real hero. He used to, all the stunts in, to khud karta hai wo. All the stunt. He's one kind of a real hero in Hollywood, I can say. But what is his background? He was a Hong Kong film star in 1980s. Suddenly, उसका dream आया कि I will be a star in Hollywood industry. So he landed in US. Suddenly he realized he doesn't know English. The Chinese people, they don't have an English background, right? So how come he can be a good actor in Hollywood industry? So he has been rejected 100 times from all the film production unit. So one day he decided, ठीक है, no problem. Just sit and एक साल वहीं पे US में कटा है वो, and he developed his English language. The communication, he has improved his communication in such a way, the film industry has to accept him. So why I kept his photo here is, a lot of people, those were local medium students, whether it's Marathi or Bengali or medium people, they always complain, I'm not English medium student. I cannot